What does it take to become the world's greatest investor? Is it genius, luck, or something else entirely? Warren Buffett, often called the Oracle of Omaha, built his fortune and reputation not through flashy tactics, but by staying true to timeless principles of investing. His journey is one of discipline, patience, and an unshakable belief in his philosophy. In this video, we'll explore 10 key milestones that made Warren Buffett the most respected investor of our time. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, there's something in Buffett's story that will inspire you. The early spark. Warren Buffett's love for numbers and money began at an incredibly young age. Born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930, he displayed an entrepreneurial spirit as a child. By age 11, he made his first stock purchase, buying 3 shares of City Service Preferred at $38 each. Though the stock initially dropped to $27, young Warren held on and sold it at $40, making a small profit. This early experience taught Buffett an invaluable lesson: patience pays off. However, he also realized he sold too soon, as the stock later soared to $200. It was a mistake he vowed never to repeat. From delivering newspapers to selling chewing gum and Coca-Cola, Buffett's childhood was filled with small ventures that shaped his understanding of money and business. Learning from the masters. Buffett's real education in investing began when he discovered Benjamin Graham's book, The Intelligent Investor. Graham's philosophy of value investing, finding undervalued stocks with intrinsic potential, resonated deeply with Buffett. In 1950, Buffett enrolled at Columbia Business School to study under Graham himself. This decision changed the course of his life. Graham's teachings about margin of safety and disciplined investing became the foundation of Buffett's strategy. Warren often refers to Graham as his greatest mentor, saying, "Investing is not about jumping over 7-foot bars, but stepping over 1-foot bars." Building the foundation with Buffett Partnership. In 1956, Warren Buffett founded Buffett Partnership Ltd. with $105,000 pooled from family and friends. He applied Graham's value investing principles to grow the partnership's capital. Unlike most investors, Buffett didn't chase speculative trends. Instead, he focused on undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. Buffett's disciplined approach paid off handsomely. Over 13 years, the partnership delivered an average annual return of 29.5%, outperforming the market by a significant margin. By the time he dissolved the partnership in 1969, Buffett had already accumulated a personal fortune of $25 million, a remarkable achievement for someone in his 30s. The Berkshire Hathaway acquisition. Buffett's journey to legendary status began with his acquisition of Berkshire Hathaway, a struggling textile company. Initially, it seemed like an unusual move, but Buffett saw value in its assets. After taking control in 1965, he gradually shifted Berkshire's focus from textiles to a diversified holding company. He began acquiring businesses he understood deeply: insurance, utilities, and consumer goods, turning Berkshire into a powerhouse. Under Buffett's leadership, the company grew into a conglomerate, owning giants like Geico, Dairy Queen, and Duracell. Berkshire Hathaway became the perfect vehicle for Buffett's investing philosophy, allowing him to reinvest profits into high-potential businesses and stocks. The Coca-Cola bet. One of Warren Buffett's most famous investments is his purchase of Coca-Cola stock in the late 1980s. After the 1987 market crash, Buffett saw an opportunity to invest in a globally recognized brand with strong consumer loyalty. He bought $1 billion worth of Coca-Cola shares, which accounted for 7% of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio at the time. This investment perfectly illustrates Buffett's belief in buying wonderful companies at a fair price. Coca-Cola's steady growth and global reach aligned with Buffett's preference for businesses with durable competitive advantages. Decades later, this investment remains one of Berkshire Hathaway's most successful, earning billions in dividends and capital gains. The power of compound interest. If there's one concept Buffett swears by, it's the power of compound interest. He often says, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." Buffett started investing as a teenager and let his wealth grow over decades. By reinvesting profits and avoiding unnecessary risks, Buffett turned small investments into enormous fortunes. This long-term approach allowed him to ride out market fluctuations and capitalize on the power of exponential growth. Today, his net worth exceeds $100 billion, a testament to the magic of compounding over time. Staying disciplined amid market mania. Buffett is famous for his ability to stay calm when others panic. During financial crises, he often buys while others are selling. His mantra, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful," has guided him through turbulent markets. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, Buffett invested billions in companies like Goldman Sachs and Bank of America when their stocks were plummeting. These investments not only stabilized the companies, but also generated significant returns for Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett's disciplined approach proves that staying rational and focusing on long-term value is the key to weathering market storms. Living simply despite wealth. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, Warren Buffett is known for his frugal lifestyle. He still lives in the same modest house in Omaha that he bought in 1958 for $31,500. Buffett avoids extravagance, preferring a simple routine that includes eating at McDonald's and drinking Coca-Cola. This grounded lifestyle reflects Buffett's belief that money should serve as a tool, not a source of identity. His humility and down-to-earth nature have endeared him to millions, making him a role model not just for investors, but for anyone seeking a meaningful life. Sharing wisdom through annual letters. Buffett's annual letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders are legendary. Written in plain, conversational language, these letters are a treasure trove of investing insights, business philosophy, and life lessons. Buffett uses these letters to explain his decisions, reflect on market trends, and share timeless advice. One recurring theme is his emphasis on patience and long-term thinking. He frequently reminds investors that success comes from staying focused on fundamentals, not chasing quick profits. These letters have become required reading for anyone interested in finance and investing, cementing Buffett's reputation as a teacher and mentor to generations of investors. Philanthropy and the giving pledge. In addition to his financial success, Warren Buffett is celebrated for his philanthropy. He has pledged to donate over 99% of his wealth to charitable causes, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. In 2010, he co-founded the Giving Pledge with Bill Gates, encouraging billionaires to commit to giving away most of their wealth. Buffett's generosity reflects his belief that wealth comes with responsibility. He often says, "If you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. His philanthropic efforts have inspired countless others to use their success to make a positive impact on the world. Warren Buffett's journey from a young boy fascinated by numbers to the world's greatest investor is a masterclass in discipline, patience, and integrity. His timeless principles, value investing, long-term thinking, and staying true to one's beliefs have redefined what it means to succeed in the financial world. If you found Warren Buffett's story as inspiring as we do, hit that subscribe button and join our community of dreamers and doers. We bring you incredible stories of success and the lessons they hold. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. See you in the next video, and remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint.